playing with the laser pointer.
Uh-oh.
Once Grandma moves her big butt out the way.
You're funny.
Jack, Casey, go! You're not sitting right next to me.
Come here.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh my
But
God.
now what are you doing over here?
Ow. Crazy dog. Oh, come on.
Here's the dot. Let's see who comes. Hi, Bucky. How's it going, Buck? Usually kitty cats come, not too long.
Dog.
Casey, don't be being loud. There's Zorro. Move, Buck. There's Zorro. Zorro goes absolutely bonkers over it, too.
Yeah, he does go bunkers over it, all right.
I know. Mom, do that circle thing.
I am, so be quiet.
Okay.
Keep your mouth shut for a minute, jeez.
Watch that.
Zorro. Get it.
Buck, lay down.
That's what I'm telling him. Lay down. I don't know what his problem is.
He's so excited because he thinks someone's going to play with him.
What? Here, put that. Amos, bye.